when we are going to install MySQL on a fresh instance, first we have to log into the instance. Suppose I am logging to the instance with SSH-i because this is a key based instance. Ubuntu is the username and the IP system. So I am here. Once you log in, you first need to do the update. So you can do like sudo apt update, so it will update the system, update the package dependencies whatever is outdated and all. It will also give the list of upgradables. If it's required, then you can just check what are the packages outdated. For the current installation, I don't think it's required, so I have to install the MySQL server first. So let's see how it works. Server, for that, if I am on Ubuntu system, I will use apt, or if I am using CentOS, it will require yum command. So I am just going to run with the apt sudo apt install MySQL server. So it asks for the permission for the installation. Ask for restart the services, and once this is completed, my installation is done. So I can check sudo MySQL, because currently it's socket based authentication by default, it's not password based. So it's logged in with the root user, default is root. So databases, currently this is the database which is existing one. I just uninstalled the previous and reinstalled, so this is showing the database from the old installation. So this is how you can install the MySQL. If you are going for the secure installation of the MySQL, this is default installation, and if you want to secure the installation where the temp files, temp tables and temp anonymous users, these things need to be removed, then you have to follow the secure installation. Let me show that secure installation. For the installation of the MySQL, first you have to run this command like sudo MySQL underscore server secure underscore installation. It will ask for the few details like remove anonymous user. I will say yes. Disallow root login remotely. Yeah, of course, disallow it. Remove test databases and access to it. Yes. Next is like reload the privileges, all done. So if I log in like MySQL, if I press, it says Ubuntu user is not defined. If I give the user root, it will say access denied on the local host, because I don't have permission. So I will use sudo MySQL. Oh, sudo MySQL, sorry. So it shows me the MySQL console now. So my MySQL installation is done. If you want to do the tweaks in it, so go to the etc folder MySQL, and here you will see the different configs like MySQL CNF. MyCNF is the default one. So first of all, I will check the MyCNF what it hold. CNF, it says like not include dir config and MySQL conf.d. So now I am going to conf.d directory. Here it will say MySQL config. cnf. It's starting the MySQL, only command injecting. Oh, going back to mysql.d, here I will find like mysql.d cnf. So here is the configuration, what are the things needed here. Bind address is 127 by default. The binding address is localhost. If you want to access remotely, or you want like MySQL server should listen on all the IPs like the 0.0.0.0, so you can mention it here, then it will be accessible from the remote side as well. Key buffer size is default is 16. If you need to enhance it, you can enhance the key buffer size. Here you will see the logs. You can enable here the slow query logs. If you uncomment this line, it will start logging the slow queries, which takes more time while execution. Max bin log size is 100 MB. I'm not going to change anything here. If you want to add something more like max connection, cache, spool cache and all, you can mention here and reload the MySQL server. It will start serving with the new configuration. Next I will check mysql.cnf file. It's just loading the server, nothing else. Apart from here, the one cnf file is pending, which I will check what it says. mysql.cnf, it says same file. So this is how you can install the MySQL, and if you want to do the tweaks, this is default location where you will find the mysql d.cnf file, where you can add the additional parameters to enhance the MySQL server. If you are installing the MariaDB, you will get 50-server.cnf file, MariaDB server file. There you will get the same options uh, to scale up the MySQL or MariaDB server. So this is the default installation, how it goes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and keep supporting me.